front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. If you want to delete all your junk files on this Sony, here's how to do it in a few seconds. Don't worry, I tested it on this and other devices, and I can tell you now, it will work. First, open Google Folder to find Files app. Click on it. Tap on those three lines at the top left corner and hit Clean at the top. Then select Clean under Junk Files. And last but not least, Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my storage was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching.